In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add links into our web pages. This is super easy, and it can either link pages we've created together or link our user to an external site. The first thing you want to do is you want to pause this video, stop, and type what you see on the screen. What you see is I have the basic HTML template we've been working with. I've added a title. I've put my comment. And I've put a couple headers and a little bit of information and paragraph tags. So stop the video now, pause it, type what you see for practice, and then go ahead and hit play. So now that you've hit play, let's go ahead and start by adding an absolute hyperlink. An absolute hyperlink is better known as an external hyperlink. It links you to an external website. We're going to do that here because we want to link our user to CNN. I'm going to click right where I want to link them. I will open it with an ahref equals. I'm going to put the website we want to link them to, so it'd be http cnn.com. Close our quotes, close our caret. Now we want to put the text we want the user to see because they're not going to see this text. They're only going to see what they can click on. So click here now. Now we have to close our absolute link. And let's save our page. Go ahead and find a place to save it. I'm going to just call this links.html. I'll go back to my folder where I have my links document saved. And I'm going to test it. Now if I click on the link, you can see right here we've added. It'll take me to CNN's website. Now I just hit the back button to get back to our page. Let's add an external link. So an external link is one that will link you into another page of your website. In order to add an external link, or relative hyperlink as the book calls it, we do something really similar to this. We're going to come down here to, this is the first tutorial we created. We'll open our link. Now, instead of doing the HTTP, we're just going to put the name of our web page. And I'm going to go back and check the folder. And we can see that we had one called Lecture WK2. We want to write it the same way, so Lecture WK2.html. Now we'll go ahead and put the text we want to link. Click here to see our page. And again, we close the link and test. Now here's the catch. Your folder, your files have to be in the same folder because right now it's looking for something in this file folder where it's contained. So now if I go back to my open browser and refresh my page, when we refreshed it, we see that nothing is here, which means there's probably an error in my code. If you don't see the code you just put in, which we would have had a link here, there's probably an error. So let's go back and look at the code. Oh, we see we did not close the quotes here. So now if I close my quotes and save it and test again, it appears. So typically go back and look and you see if you've closed tags and quotes, that causes issues. Now if we click on it, you can see this is the first web page that we actually created. There's one additional kind of link that we will work with a lot through the class. This is an email link. To do this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just open one more paragraph, put find my contact information here. And I'm going to put my name. And I'm going to just go ahead and put another line and type email. Here's where I want to create a link that they can link to my email. So to do this, we use the href again. Equals, here's where it changes a little. We're going to use mail to colon, and now our email address. Close our parentheses. Now we'll put what we want them to click on. So I'm going to just put my email address again. I'll go ahead and close my link and save it. Now if I go back to my browser, and test it, you can see there's a link you can click on here. Those are the three most basic types of links we'll work with in this course.